Alerta Find is a highly accurate wireless device based on global positioning system technology for tracking and locating a vehicle. It is the perfect device for helping to keep your loved one who drives safe. It works continuously and clearly displays information about the device on the Alerta Find mobile phone app. It can particularly benefit the elderly or those who suffer from memory loss or dementia who drive. The lithium metal battery can last up to 2 years depending on the number of vehicle movements. It saves time, money, and worry because there is no battery recharging. The device is small and can be easily concealed within the vehicle. There are no installation or setup costs. Alerta Find works right out of the box. There are no recurring maintenance costs. Because of its size, the device can be hidden nearly anywhere inside the vehicle. The Alerta Find mobile app is easy to use. Just log in to see the vehicle's location, location history, last known speed, or to get directions to the device. You can also tap the option to receive notification about device movement, so you'll always be aware of where your loved one is. Alerta Find is a revolutionary GPS and vehicle locating device. It is easy to use, easy to install, gives tracking reports, and has the industry's best battery performance. Alerta products work to bring the caregiver peace of mind while helping your loved one age in place at home safely and comfortably. Alerta, caring for your loved one, caring for the caregiver.